If you're looking to enhance the performance of your pruning shears, the 2PCS Silver Springs Pruners replacement is a fantastic choice. These replacement springs are made from high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. Measuring 5.8 centimeters in length, these springs fit most standard garden shears, scissors, and clippers, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. One of the standout features of these springs is their flexibility, which ensures smooth and efficient operation when opening and closing your pruners. This flexibility translates into a more comfortable working experience and higher cutting efficiency, allowing you to tackle your gardening tasks with ease. Installation is a breeze with this replacement kit. Simply remove the old, worn-out springs from your pruners and replace them with these new ones. The process is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools or skills. This easy installation helps extend the life of your garden shears, keeping them in top condition for longer. Overall, the 2PCS Silver Springs Pruners replacement offers a practical and cost-effective solution for maintaining your pruning tools. With their high-quality construction and user-friendly design, these springs are a must-have for any gardener looking to keep their shears in optimal working condition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.